finished my design session for my client Restocks, and I have to do a bit of editing and other tasks for the day. And I want to share with you how I feel at this moment, because I think it's something that many people will relate to, and I'm curious to see if actually anybody relates to that. So if you relate to it, feel free to drop a comment or something. Just let me know whatever way you prefer. How I feel is that even if everything is back to normal here in the Netherlands, like you can go out, you can have drinks, you can have a social life again, I feel that I forgot how to live in a way the last 12 months. It's a bit too much to say in a way, but here's what I think. The last 12 months since I quit my job, I actually spent most of my time working. I took some holidays on the summer to visit my family in Greece, and that was pretty much it. And the last 12 months, looking back, I spent most of my time working and seeking creativity inside work and trying to get more creative in work, come up with new services, more excitement, more adrenaline, make some sales, make a new tweet, create some engagement. There's like, I was seeking excitement and creativity constantly in my work, which is great. It's a good thing to do. That's why I want to be an indie hacker, and I don't want to work for a company full time, because I need my personality and the way that I want to live both need this kind of a daily excitement and this kind of a randomness and this whole creativity in general. However, if you only spend your time working, you don't develop the skills to live your life outside of work. It may sound awkward, but it's something that actually makes sense, and I had it a lot in the past, and it took me years to actually leave the work a bit back and say, you know what, okay, I've done a lot of progress with work, let's develop some other skills, like let's go skateboarding, let's play a sport, let's get social, let's make new friends, because making a new friend or learning a new sport requires time, energy, and even money in some cases, because you need to pay for lessons and so on. So the combination of the lockdown with the intense amount of work that I had the last year makes me feel that I forgot a bit how to live, and it's something that I'm slowly relearning in a way, because as you may have seen in previous updates, if you haven't seen, what I did is I switched to 4 days per work. This is the second week that I'm doing this. Last week I didn't work on Friday, and it felt great. Like, it felt healthy that I have 3 days to just explore other stuff. It was uncomfortable, it was a bit awkward, that I'm like, yeah, okay, I'm not gonna write code, I'm not gonna think about products, I'm not gonna design, so what I'm gonna do? And suddenly you have to take different kinds of decisions, do different kind of activities, and so on. So this is something that I'm investing into right now. I took some days off to relearn how to enjoy life outside of office as well, how to be social again, because with the lockdown it was a big pain in the ass, like the fact that we couldn't meet people, how to go more often for skateboarding, sports, and so on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My strategy to tackle with this is less work and to put myself in this awkward position of having to do things outside of work, like sports and so on. So yeah, that's the update, and let me know if any of you actually have the same feeling. I'm more than happy to actually discuss and see how you tackle with it as well.